Welcome to this video on AWS Route 53, where we will explore whether Route 53 is truly free and delve into its pricing structure. AWS Route 53 is a scalable domain name system (DNS) web service designed to provide high availability and low latency. Understanding its costs is crucial for businesses looking to utilize its services effectively. AWS Route 53 is Amazon's scalable and highly available domain name system (DNS) web service. It's designed to route end users to internet applications in a reliable, cost-effective manner. Here are some key features of Route 53. Domain registration. You can register new domains or transfer existing ones. DNS management. Route 53 allows you to manage DNS records for your domain with ease. Traffic routing policies. Route 53 supports multiple routing policies like geolocation, latency-based, and weighted routing, allowing you to control how your traffic is distributed. Health checks and monitoring. You can configure health checks for your endpoints to ensure traffic is routed only to healthy instances. Scalability and global availability. Built on AWS's global infrastructure, Route 53 ensures low latency and high performance for DNS queries. These features make AWS Route 53 a powerful tool for businesses that require high availability, scalability, and flexible traffic management. First, let's take a look at the components of the Route 53 pricing model. Route 53 charges for several key services. Hosted zones. There's a monthly charge for each hosted zone. DNS queries. You pay based on the number of DNS queries your domains receive. Health checks. If you enable health checks for your endpoints, there's a charge based on the number of checks. Now, let's discuss some example scenarios to illustrate how the costs can vary based on usage. In this first scenario, a small business website with one hosted zone and around 10,000 DNS queries per month would incur a total cost of approximately $0.90. In this second scenario, a medium-sized e-commerce site with two hosted zones and 100,000 DNS queries would have a total cost of around $2. Lastly, for a large application with 5 hosted zones and about 1 million DNS queries, the total estimated cost would be approximately $10. Here's a visual comparison of the costs for the small website, medium-sized e-commerce site, and large application. As you can see, the costs can increase significantly based on the number of DNS queries and hosted zones. To summarize, while AWS Route 53 offers a free tier, the costs can accumulate based on your usage of hosted zones, DNS queries, and health checks. Always consider your specific needs when evaluating the pricing structure. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about AWS Route 53 pricing or any other topics, feel free to leave a comment below.